Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to explain a common question or problem that some of our users have been facing when trying to create custom materials. At the moment, it is important to note that there are two kinds of different materials that you can reference. There are materials that are either real products or ones that you have created that not only have a color but also a texture. And then there are all the ones that simply have a color. Now the problem is, if you try to reference a color with a texture, what it's going to do is when you bring it in, it's going to reference that existing color. So in this instance, it's gray. So if I bring in, let's say, a Core 10 steel with a beautiful rusty kind of color, it's not going to come out rusty, it's going to come out gray. Let me show you. Here's the Core 10. Now if you're using a Mac, make sure that you open Plusspec and then sync it. It will then be in your drop down, but with the PC you can just drag and drop. So because I've referenced this grey color, when I draw it, it comes out grey. We are looking to fix this issue. However, it's very simple to solve, and that is, don't reference a color, reference another texture. So I still want it to be in the type of external cladding with plasterboard, but this time I'm going to reference any of the other products as long as they've got a texture associated. Create the material. And this time, because it's not referencing a color, it's just referencing a texture, all of the embedded qualities of that JPEG will come through, including the color. Simple.